Welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with Chef David and Buster. Buster's my little hot dog. Today I'm gonna make an amazing breakfast burrito that your family will love and it'll last for a few days. Let's get started. I got about 15 pieces of par-cooked bacon. Dice up. Doesn't have to be too fancy because it's just a breakfast burrito. You just want it small enough where it's going to cook fast enough. Just doing a simple dice on this onions. Nice vegetable oil down. Place these on a sheet pan. And these will cook for about 450 in your oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once that's done cooking, then we're going to dice them up. And don't forget the seasoning. Always seasoning. Makes everything taste better. Potatoes cooking, 450 degrees for about, they're taking about 18 minutes. Well, the potatoes are nice and cooked, so now we're going to just dice them up. You can see the steam coming off them. This is your ingredients. We got a cup of diced bacon, cup of diced ham, cup of diced onion, cup of diced sausage, cup and a half of diced potatoes, half cup of mixed cheese, and liquid eggs, 1 quart. All right, let's get started. Butter in, onions in. Onions are pretty good right there. The reason why you want to saute them until they get a little translucent, because you want to take the harshness out of the onions, but you want the flavor. All right, bacon in. This we're just gonna heat this up till bacon gets nice and hot. All right, bacon's good. Ham in. Sausage in. Now we'll saute this till that's all hot. Okay, that's good and hot. I'll put the potatoes in. There's some mix. And then we're gonna take it and put it on the side. Do the eggs. Now we're gonna add a little bit of butter. I'm going to put a little bit at a time. Let it get nice and hot. Now it's starting to cook the eggs. Add a little bit more eggs. You don't want to put too much at a time because that'll cool down the pan really fast. You want the pan to stay nice and warm. Add some more eggs. Now we're going to add the rest of the eggs. Got to get all that eggs out of there because you know how expensive eggs are right now. Eggs are like gold. Eggs are almost there. Eggs are still cooking. We're going to add some seasoning to it. Some salt. Some pepper. This is just a simple recipe. Eggs are ready. Now we're going to throw back in the mixture of the potatoes, onions, ham, sausage, and bacon. Then we're going to mix that around. Mix it so it gets real mixed up. All the eggs gets mixed in there. Everything hot again. And then we just throw the cheese in. Stir it a little bit. Put cheese all in through it. I'll put the rest of the cheese on it. And that's the mix. Awesome, ready to roll burritos. And this will be for many days. All right, now we're gonna take a nice apple. make a garnish. You ought to make all your plates look nice. Brightens up somebody's day. Then you just fan it out. Alright, we'll put this aside for now. Warmed up tortilla. It's always better to have warm tortillas because they'll be able to roll easier. Take a nice spoon of the mix. Now a lot of people like salsa, you can put in here, avocado. But anyway, I like to fold it over. Tuck and roll. Just like that. I'm gonna bring this back, cut it on a nice diagonal. Food presentation is always nice. There you have it. There you go. So what do you think about this recipe today, Buster? Did you enjoy it? Awesome. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe, smack the like, and we'll see you in the next one. Aloha.